guys, there's no easy way to put it. The apocalypse is coming. It's not net neutrality. Tidepods are being removed from stores. So we are going to go up, get dressed, go buy tidepods, and have our final last supper with them.
Warning, the following video is performed by professionals and in no way do we support the eating of tidepods.
Right, so what flavour should we get? I'm liking the look of that red one. Yeah, the red one is pretty nice. Yeah. Yeah, this is probably my favourite flavour here. Just something extra, what is it? This isn't coming out. There we go. I just add some flavour to it. Grab this as well. Good news is McDonald's is still giving out free tidepods with every drink, but they're going to be running out soon. So we're going to save these for later and make our own proper meal. Not this kind of stuff. This is a great quality meal right here. Ah, this is my favourite dip. Delicious. Then it's time to ask about. Feedback was absolutely amazing.
As you can tell right now, I'm truly one of the most intelligent people on this planet. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for the taste test. Right then, so in it goes. Quite a bit of flavour here. Whoa. Whoa. NANI? Whoa. Ah. Well, I feel fine. I think that went all well. We'll taste again. That was a strong taste of air. Oh, my teeth are all green as well. Well, anyway, that was nice. Thank you guys so much for watching. And this is a great start to the channel already. I'm going to kill myself by the end of this probably. But, yeah, so thank you all for watching. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.